Hello there, it's Chris from Caterbox here to show you how to assemble one of my glassware boxes. So start by working on a nice flat surface, have the dividers to hand already assembled, and the handles and lids if you've purchased them. Start by having the light creases of the box facing up, because they will form the inside of the box. On the other side there aren't any creases at all. So have that facing up. Remove the 4 small pieces of plastic that have formed the oval shapes along the side of the box. Poke them out with your thumb. And then fold up the side of the box and the other side of the box, and then place those pieces into the centre, and then lift up the back panel and then hold it in your hand in the middle, hold everything together. Grab a handle, make sure it's facing upwards like this. Place a small piece of plastic from the handle in the hole that you created, and the same on the other side. So it sits in like this. Place the corners over the corners of the core flute, and then make sure that everything, all the core flute is tucked up inside the rim of the inside of the handle. Once you've done that, push the corners down firmly, and then you have this handle piece that you just lift up and clip into the hole that's made in the core flute. Turn the box around, fold the other end in the same, in and inwards, and then up at the back. Hold it in the centre, get the handle, place a small piece of plastic in that hole, over the corners, tuck everything up inside the rim of the inside of the handle, push down firmly, use your fingers to locate it, again, and then just lift and clip in the handle. Make sure everything is in there firmly, and now here's your box. So the dividers are already made, as I said, so we grab the divider and we just slot it in like so, pushing down like that. And then if you've purchased a loose lid, it has corner creases and a finger hole. So fold the corner creases down, which is nice and easy. Slide the lid underneath 2 of the corners down one end, and then just tuck in on the other corners at the other end. So the lid sits nice and flat, level, and holds the glassware in safely. Here we go.